I buy my own diamonds and I buy my own rings. Only ring your Sally when I'm feeling lonely. When it's all over, please get up.
Okay, y'all, so I just made it to Dutch Bros. This is my first time here actually, but we just got some coffee. Okay.
It's gonna be that night.
Thank you.
Do you want to trust?
Yes. Have a good day. So here's the coffee. Y'all, this is actually huge.
Yeah, it's big.
And this is a medium. So yeah, y'all, I just got a nitro cold brew black just because y'all know I'm trying to be healthy. And this is my little cousin Kylan. We're on our way to go get pedicures. How's your coffee?
It's good.
Okay, so yeah, we're on our way to get pedicures. We're just having a little girl day today. So I'm out here roller skating with my friend Raya.
Hey.
And so we found like an empty parking lot. It's a little sketch.
This might be the last you'll see of us.
Honestly, I'm like, well, we get kidnapped and here's your cute little pup, Penelope.
This is Penny like the pasta. She has more acting credits than I.
It's at a bar. We're having a good time. And I just met a band called The Good Heart, and they told me that I can use their music and they won't copyright me. Didn't you say that?
I said that.
Exactly, so Exhibit A YouTube. So yeah, we're just having a good time. We're having drinks and we've just been having a Sunday fun day. I missed 2 of my plans because I just stayed here too long, but
You missed 2 of the plans. It's only our second date. I'm kind of nervous.
so yes.
This is Penny.
And look at little Penny. We roller skated.
Loves camera.
We roller skated for a total of 10 minutes.
And we pulled a Real Housewives, and then we had like a
chat session.
little combo.
And look at this cute pup. Y'all, gotta love Houston. We're at the wine bar and there's a dump truck or whatever the fuck. Thank you, Houston. Drink your wine, brought a tractor. All in one day.
I love that.
Good morning, y'all. Happy Monday. We're on our Never Miss a Monday grind. Right now it is like 4:52 a.m. I should be on my way to the gym, but the reason I'm not is because I did not charge my Apple Watch last night. So, you know, when you're trying to lose weight, you're trying to get healthy, you feel like if you don't have on your Apple Watch, the workout didn't count. So I'm allowing my Apple Watch to just recharge while I sip on my pre-workout. The pre-workout I'm using is from Walmart. It's just the C4 Ultimate Shred. It's cool. I don't really know much about pre-workout, so it's not like I've tried a lot of them, so I can't really give y'all reviews, but I'm basically just on my Never Miss a Monday grind.
How much money you got? A lot. How many problems you got? A lot. How many people done died? A lot. Left you out the rock? A lot. How many pray that you fall? A lot. How many lawyers you got? A lot. How many times you got shot? A lot. How many niggas you shot? A lot. How many times did you ride? A lot. How many niggas done died? A lot. How many times did you cheat?
Y'all, look how pretty my juice is for the next 2 days. I had to do mostly beets because I'm out of green stuff. So, alright. This is beets, celery, kale, a lemon, and an apple. And a cucumber. And now I'm just on the internet. This is not that sweet, y'all, but it's to be expected because I didn't put a whole bunch of sugar in it or anything. It's just like a little bit more natural, and I have like vegetables in there, but I'm like, ugh, this is not sweet at all. But y'all know I save like the scraps from the juicing, and I freeze it so that I can have like fiber in my smoothies. And so that's what's in here along with chia seeds. I'm like, ugh. I love how I feel like I'm just FaceTiming y'all, because basically this is just like a girl's FaceTime. Because the way no man watch my channel, I was looking at my demographic, it's like 99.9% women. So I just be in here comfortable. Like right now, I got on my robe. I don't even care, because it's like, this is a girl's party, okay? And that's the tea. That's the tea. I love it. I love y'all. I'm so grateful for y'all. The sweet comments I get, it just keeps me going. And I'm like, okay, I gotta keep pushing. I gotta keep pushing for my girlies. But to be honest, y'all, I probably am about to fall asleep and take a little hour nap after I finish the smoothie and then get ready for work, because your girl is exhausted. Waking up at 4:45. Today I woke up at 4:30. It is not easy, but I like to be at the gym early to get it done with. Lunchtime, and today I have another one of my meal preps. It's gonna look gross, y'all, but I promise it's so good. It's pesto chicken. So I have chicken, broccoli, mini corn, tomatoes, bell peppers, onions, and then it has pesto sauce, vegan pesto sauce. Y'all know I'm trying to do better about my dairy. Bomb. Looks crazy, but very good. I'm not really sure how many calories are in it, y'all. I'm not even trying to count calories like that, to be honest. I'm just trying to focus on doing portion control and eating things that are healthy. Also, y'all, I have been eating my lunch with chopsticks lately for some reason. I don't know why. I feel like it's helping me just... This is very hot. I feel like it's helping me be more intentional with my eating. Okay, vegan pesto is not as good as regular pesto. I'm definitely missing the cheese, but it's okay. So I finally have made it back from work. I'm so excited. I'm looking around my house and realizing that I need to clean up. Like, I need to get it together. I'm definitely missing a housekeeper, but I'm so excited because I broke my gallon container, y'all. I like cracked it because I slammed it into a door by accident. So I ordered myself a new one off of Amazon. Now this one is a half gallon. It's 64 ounces. But I like this one a lot more because it's smaller. The gallon was just so big. It was a lot to carry. So I think this will motivate me to like just finish one of these at least before I leave work. And then if I get home, I can finish.
All you wanna do is gas me. How we end up in the backseat, just trying to get to the bag. We on the same page, you the same way. Only keep the fam around me, so let me know what it's gonna be. I don't plan on getting no sleep while we doing nothing, moving too fast. Candy paint with the windows all black, seats creme brulee. So they gon' say with the top down.
Okay guys, I just got home from work. It was a very long day. I left y'all at home today, my bad. But maybe you should be thanking me because y'all got to rest and I was at work very much so fighting for my life. But I am craving a Mexican pizza. Y'all know Taco Bell has the Mexican pizza back and I wanted to go to Taco Bell so bad to get one. But I'm like, girl, you cannot have a bad eating day today because I started the morning with a kolache and donuts. So it's like I have to make my dinner at home. I have to have like only a certain amount of calories. So also, y'all, side note, did you know that supposedly 4 donut holes are 230 calories? I think it's actually better to just get a glazed donut. I always thought the donut holes were less, but if you eat a whole dozen of the donut holes, you should have just got a donut. So lesson learned, won't be doing that again. But anyway, I definitely had a very unhealthy breakfast. I have very few calories left for the day to hit my like 1500 calories. I think it's like 1585. So I am making a Mexican pizza myself at home. I've already put it into the calorie tracker so I know exactly how much it is. Y'all, I'm not using a recipe because it's like, honestly, do you need one for this? But I will put what I'm doing in the description box for real along with the macros so y'all can have it. And I'm gonna measure everything out. Just wanted to give y'all an update. I'm so tired. I'm always saying I'm tired lately. I don't know what it is. I need to take some vitamin D. But I'm about to wash my hands and get to business. Just to save myself some time because I want this to be a super quick dinner, I'm gonna go ahead and measure all my like fixings. I don't call it
just call it loving. We don't break up in the summer. And we don't keep it in the world, yeah. This is something more than love. The cargo, baby, last forever.
Now y'all already know I'm lazy when it comes to the cooking. I like very basic meals. So we are about to fry these tortillas in the air fryer and make it work. I'm gonna give y'all a little hack. I'm gonna show y'all some little skills to make this whole pizza in the air fryer minus what you gotta make on the stove. So let's get into it. Okay, y'all, I'm so sorry. My camera died, so I had to move to my phone. It's real ghetto out here. And not even just one camera. All my camera batteries are dead, so I had to move to my phone. But that's not going to stop us from getting this meal in. I just wanted to give y'all an update. If the quality is a little bit different, that is why. So I'm going to put y'all on my little phone stand, and we're going to get back into it.
Question, tell me what you think about me. I buy my own diamonds and I buy my own rings. Only ring your Sally when I'm feeling lonely.